You see, everything is now connected, but let's go to here. Something may be wrong. How we can just find out what is wrong with this board? Let's just see. There is some option here. Let's just save all. One option is PDN analyzer. It will tell you if this design that you did is enough or not, is good or not, for powering, for how much current it needs. And after, another thing is rule check. If you go to tools and click design rule check, please show me this much of error and run design rule check. Check all the rules, please. And if you go to, there's a lot of error here that we should just correct them. You don't finish yet. There is so much important stuff. No, I did unpin property, so I can just go to messages, and in here you see I see a lot of error. It is this much of error here. You can see that there is 2 error in it. There is 2 net that is unrouted, 8 of for whole size, and 30 for minimum solder mask, and silk 2 solder mask. We will just make all of this right. Let's go to here and save it. You know, we have 2 net that is not connected. One of them is this. Let's just go tools, polygon, and shave all over polygon. You see, it's now so much clearer to work with. What we should do, we should just put via here. So when we just again restore over polygon and report it, let's just report all. Now if you go to design rule check and run it, you will see that unrouted net is just 1. Let's just find it. If you click messages and right click in here and group by class, double click here. In unrouted net, you can double click it and it will show to you where it is. It's not connected here. Let's just go to tools, polygon, and shave it. You can now connected the ground here. So let's just connect these 2 with these 2 here. That's okay. Let's just go and again restore it and go to tools and report all. So, and again design rule check, run it and go. If you see it here, unrouted net is 0. So let's just go to whole size constant. Let's go to message and whole size. You can see that it says it bigger than this much. Let's go change our rules. In manufacturing, in whole size, you can change maximum value to 1000 or whatever. Let's click OK. How much is this? Let's just see whole size. Let's just again design rule check, run it, and no, whole size is 0. There is no problem here. Hole to hole clearance, let's just see where it is. Hole to hole clearance is just less than 10 mils. No matter, it's not important for us because it's not in important place, it's just for screw, so it is okay. Hole to hole clearance, click here, and below stack, let's just make it 1, no, just make it 6 to see if error goes away. Design rule check, run it again, and there is none of this error. Minimum solder mask, it is important. Let's just go and see all the minimum solder mask in here. You see, it gives us some error. We should just minimum solder mask, change its value to maybe something like 6. Let's hit OK. Go to tools and minimum solder mask. Let's try to find it where it is. Again, we shave our polygon to see where it is. In this 2 capacitor, because this 2 capacitor is we ignore it. We want to ignore these 2 capacitor. If you hit L and just see the bottom layer, all the error is for these 2 capacitor that is so close together, but you see that is not that much of close. So what we should do here, if we go to, let's just show you something, panel, PCB rules and violation. Let's just go here and take it here, PCB rule and violation. You can see it here. Let's just all the rules. Let's have all of the layers and close it, and again go to PCB rules. Let's when I click any rules, please just mask it for me, and that's good. All the rule that there is here. I want just all the rules, so one by one we can just check all of it. You see, there is a lot of let's just see, we want to just minimum solder mask, so in here, go to here and find minimum solder mask, so click here, and it gives us all 22 violation. In here it's just saying this 2 pin of this MCU is less than 6 mils. So what we should do is just, so that's it. Minimum solder mask, it is 5, but we have limitation as 6. So let's see others. So if we should check it. You see, in here it says it's so close to it, but it should be connected to it. So no, there is no error here. We can ignore this. And there is a lot of this error that we can ignore it, because in this we know that our rules is more than enough. 3 is so much good for it. You can choose 3. This you should ask from the manufacturer. You wanna send your PCB to manufacture it, you should ask them. So let's just OK and go to tools, design, and design rule check. design constraints. So it's just saying that minimum solder mask is gone, so it is good.